these testimonials like this and getting good quality, what I call meaty testimonials instead of just the weak ones, they got some meat to them. That's one of the better ways to get people to believe in you and build that trust, authority, and credibility. Hey, what's up, guys? It is Greg Luther here with a very important tip for you on what you need to be doing with client testimonials. Now, if you've been selling real estate for a while, there's a really good chance that you've had some happy clients. You might have even had some that didn't like you very well. Of course, if we don't get their home sold or don't find the perfect house for them, sometimes they get a little testy with us, right? So you got to think about what you're doing. Let me see if we can adjust our lighting a little bit here. What you're doing with client testimonials. Are you doing it the right way, or are you doing it the wrong way? There's a good chance you're doing it the wrong way, and here's what I mean by that. When I say that you should have your buyer or seller clients, you should have them give you a testimonial, you may mistakenly think that you want them to say some good things about you. Nobody cares about you. It's not going to help you to have testimonials from someone that says, well, Greg's the greatest realtor in the world and he did a good job for us and we found our perfect house and I'd highly recommend him. That's not going to help you in any way. As a matter of fact, many times it's kind of a turnoff for a lot of people. So what you want to do is you want to start thinking about a better way of getting testimonials from clients, because you know what prospects want to see? The path that your clients took, the fear factor that they had, and how you were able to make that better. And once they built confidence, and once they started looking around at homes, and once they found what was perfect for them, and then we got to this home inspection period, and Greg was able to help out with that stuff, and then we had this thing called an appraisal. If you can show the path that your client was able to take, that past client that you have, that path that they took to go from fearful about buying a house or even fearful about selling a house to you helping them along the way and making them feel more confident. See, you have to remember, a testimonial is designed not to brag about you as a real estate agent, because that doesn't do any good. A testimonial is designed to make the prospect feel like they're going to get their desired result if they work with you. So their desired result is the perfect house in the perfect neighborhood at the perfect price with none of the problems that can happen in a real estate transaction. If they're selling a home, being able to sell at top dollar, doing so fast and for top dollar with the least amount of hassle. So obviously when we're talking to our clients to get testimonials, whether it's a video testimonial, which you can obviously shoot from your iPhone, or if you've got a professional video camera you're using, we usually ask them questions, right? So what did you think about this? And then what happened with this? So you can prompt them with those questions, and then of course, like for $5 or $10, you can have somebody splice all of that together, cut out the parts that are no good, and make it flow very well, put a little bit of music over it, whatever you need to do. That's like literally $10. But I want you to think about, your testimonial should not say, Greg's the greatest realtor in the world and he did a great job for us and we'd highly recommend him. That doesn't get the prospect where they need to be. They have a lot of fear factors, and the reason they're not taking action, the reason they don't reply to phone calls, the reason they're not replying to emails is because they're dragging their feet, because the confused mind says no. Let me give you that again. The confused mind says no. So what we have to do is get them to realize that the path that they're going to go on, they will become more confident, more competent, have the representation they need, but most importantly, get their desired result. So what you want to do anytime you're getting testimonials is make sure the client is talking about any fear factors they had and ultimately getting their desired result. Yes, Greg was awesome and he did a great job, but here's what it meant for us. So anytime you're getting client testimonials, you want to do that. We've been doing a lot with improving people's Google search lately, and these testimonials is one of the things that makes a big difference for us. So you're probably aware that on Google, everybody's going to Google you before they meet you. How you look online many times matters more than how good your presentation is when you meet with them, because you probably won't meet with them if you don't look good online. So here's the question. What do you look like when someone Googles you? Does it look beneficial to them? Is it helpful for them? So these testimonials like this, and getting good quality, what I call meaty testimonials instead of just the weak ones, they got some meat to them. That's one of the better ways to get people to believe in you and build that trust, authority, and credibility. Those are the three factors that we're looking for: trust, authority, and credibility. You know, a lot of agents come to me because they're doing really well, but they're trying to extend their business, do a lot more in business. And first thing I do is I Google them. I'm like, man, you look horrible online. Like you don't even exist. There's like movie stars coming up ahead of you. There's soccer players coming up ahead of you because they have the same name. That's not helping you at all. Fame is manufactured in America. So you can create, you know, since we get to decide what they're going to look at when they Google me, I want to have the right things there if I'm a real estate agent in your local town. One of those things is testimonials. So again, not to get too far off of our topic today, if you'd like more information on growing your real estate business, you can go to gregluthercoaching.com. You'll see a lot of upcoming webinars and trainings and free reports, and I think there's a book on there for $6, that type of thing. But I think it'll help you tremendously, gregluthercoaching.com. But in the meantime, anytime you're meeting with a prospect, make sure you're prompting them with the right questions. You really want to think this out and have good questions, because good questions dictate good answers, right? So think about what the prospect's desired goal is. That's how you get good testimonials. Hopefully this is helpful for you. I'm Greg Luther with gregluthercoaching.com. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do two important things. It's both totally free. Number one, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.